Are you constantly chasing fleeting feelings of satisfaction? That quick dopamine hit from a purchase or online scroll? This isn't just a habit. It's a powerful force shaping your financial decisions. Understanding this addiction is key to breaking free. This isn't just theory. It's actionable knowledge. Learn how your brain chemistry influences your spending and discover practical strategies for regaining control. Stop the cycle of impulsive purchases and build lasting financial security. Unlock the secrets to mastering your money mindset today. Modern life is a constant barrage of stimuli designed to trigger our reward centers. Ads, social media, and even everyday purchases flood our brains with dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. This constant craving for instant gratification can lead to impulsive spending, hindering financial progress. We're bombarded with choices, making it harder than ever to prioritize long-term goals. Understanding the science behind this dopamine-driven behavior is crucial. This requires recognizing how your brain responds to rewards and the role of instant gratification in our decision-making. By understanding these fundamental elements, you'll gain the tools to make conscious financial choices. Unlock the secrets to mastering your money mindset. Subscribe now and join the discussion. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Let's learn together and build a stronger financial future. Share your experiences and insights. Your participation matters. Understanding your dopamine triggers is the first step. Notice when you feel the urge to buy something. Is it a genuine need or a fleeting desire? A new pair of shoes might seem appealing, but consider if it's truly necessary or a response to a dopamine craving. Track your spending for a week, noting the emotions and situations surrounding purchases. Are you feeling stressed, bored, or seeking validation? Identifying these patterns is key to managing your impulses. Next, develop a plan to delay gratification. Instead of buying that item immediately, wait 24 hours. Ask yourself if the desire persists. Often, the initial excitement fades, revealing a less urgent need. Practice resisting the urge to make impulsive purchases. This builds self-control and a healthier relationship with money. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and want to discover the steps to financial freedom, start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. Common questions include, can I still enjoy things? Absolutely. The goal isn't to eliminate pleasure, but to make conscious choices. Treat yourself occasionally, but do so thoughtfully. Saving for a significant purchase, like a vacation, can be motivating without succumbing to impulsive spending. Finally, build a strong financial foundation. Create a budget, track expenses, and set realistic savings goals. Small, consistent savings are more impactful than sporadic large deposits. Consider investing in experiences over material goods. Learning to appreciate experiences can shift your focus from fleeting dopamine hits to lasting fulfillment. Imagine this. You're meticulously saving for a down payment on a house. Weeks turn into months, and you're almost there. Then, a tempting sale on a new gadget appears, promising a quick dopamine rush. Suddenly, that carefully crafted financial plan feels distant. This is a common turning point. The allure of instant gratification can derail even the most well-intentioned financial goals. The problem isn't just about impulsive purchases. It's about recognizing the subtle ways our brains steer us toward short-term rewards, often at the expense of long-term financial security. Consider the mounting debt that can arise from this cycle. Small, seemingly harmless purchases add up, creating a snowball effect that can be difficult to manage. A seemingly insignificant purchase today can become a significant financial burden tomorrow. This is the crux of the matter. Understanding the underlying mechanism of dopamine-driven spending is crucial to avoiding these pitfalls. The pivotal moment is now. Recognizing the power of dopamine and its impact on your financial decisions isn't just about avoiding debt. It's about achieving financial freedom. By understanding the science behind these urges, you can create a more sustainable and fulfilling financial future. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices aligned with your long-term goals. The choice is yours. Continue down the path of impulsive spending or take control of your financial destiny. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter, is crucial for motivation and reward. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure, and the instant gratification of a purchase triggers a dopamine release. This creates a cycle: pleasure followed by a quick letdown, leading to the craving for the next hit. Think of it like a video game. Each level completion releases a surge of dopamine, prompting you to play again. Similarly, each purchase, no matter how small, triggers this reward loop. Understanding this mechanism is key. The more frequent the reward, the stronger the craving becomes. This explains why impulse purchases often feel irresistible. Studies show that the brain's reward system is highly sensitive to novelty and scarcity. Limited-time offers and flashy advertisements exploit this, creating a sense of urgency and desirability. Consider this: a sale on a product you've been eyeing. The dopamine rush from the perceived bargain outweighs the rational evaluation of your actual need. This is where awareness is crucial. Recognize the pattern of wanting something now over later, and identify your triggers. Are you drawn to flashy ads? Social media comparisons? Understanding these triggers is the first step to breaking the cycle. Pay attention to the emotions associated with these purchases. Are you feeling bored, stressed, or seeking validation? Connecting these emotions to your spending habits is vital. A practical application is the 24-hour rule. Instead of buying something immediately, wait 24 hours. This delay allows the initial dopamine rush to subside, giving you space to consider if the purchase is truly necessary. For example, that new phone might seem essential now, but a day of reflection often reveals a less urgent need. Another challenge is social pressure. Seeing friends with the latest gadgets can trigger feelings of inadequacy and the urge to keep up. A counter-strategy is to focus on your own goals and values. Remember, comparing yourself to others often leads to unnecessary spending. Instead, celebrate your own progress and achievements. Building financial literacy is crucial. Understanding budgeting and saving can empower you to make informed decisions. Create a detailed budget and track your spending. Identify areas where you're overspending and develop strategies to cut back. Small, consistent savings can accumulate significantly over time. This empowers you to make conscious choices rather than reacting to immediate gratification. Remember, breaking the dopamine cycle takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Every small step forward counts. Celebrate your successes, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. The key is consistent effort and a commitment to your financial well-being. Consider mindfulness techniques. Paying attention to your thoughts and feelings can help you recognize when dopamine is influencing your decisions. Meditation and deep breathing exercises can help you become more aware of your emotional responses to spending triggers. Investing in experiences, not just things, can significantly alter your focus. Experiences often provide lasting fulfillment and memories, rather than the fleeting satisfaction of a purchase. A weekend trip, a new hobby, or quality time with loved ones can generate a different kind of reward, one that doesn't rely on external validation. A pivotal case study involves individuals who successfully transitioned from impulsive spending to mindful consumption. By consciously changing their spending habits, they were able to significantly reduce debt and build substantial savings. These individuals discovered that long-term fulfillment often comes from experiences and relationships, not material possessions. This shift in perspective isn't about deprivation. It's about conscious choice. Understanding the power of dopamine allows you to make informed decisions aligned with your long-term goals. By consciously choosing experiences over material possessions, you can cultivate a more fulfilling and sustainable financial future. This isn't a quick fix, but a journey toward a more mindful and empowered relationship with your finances. Research consistently demonstrates the powerful influence of dopamine on consumer behavior. Neuromarketing studies show how companies strategically use stimuli to trigger dopamine release, increasing the likelihood of purchases. This understanding isn't just academic, it directly impacts our financial choices. Consider how targeted advertising influences our desires, often creating a sense of urgency or scarcity. Furthermore, studies on impulse control highlight the difficulty individuals face in resisting immediate gratification. The brain's reward system prioritizes immediate rewards over long-term gains, making it challenging to save for the future. This explains why many individuals struggle with saving and investing. A recent study by Hypothetical Research Institute found that individuals who actively manage their dopamine responses through mindfulness techniques demonstrated significantly improved financial stability. This underscores the practical implications of understanding the science behind impulsive spending. It's not about eliminating pleasure entirely. It's about consciously choosing how and when we experience it. The real-world implications are profound. By understanding this mechanism, individuals can make more informed financial decisions, avoid unnecessary debt, and build a more secure financial future. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your spending habits and align your choices with your long-term goals. A common question is, can I still enjoy things? Absolutely. The key isn't to eliminate pleasure, but to be aware of how and when you experience it. Think of it like this. You wouldn't eat an entire cake in one sitting, right? Similarly, don't let a single dopamine hit dictate your entire financial strategy. Another concern might be, what if I slip up? It happens. Everyone makes mistakes. The crucial point is recognizing the slip-up and adjusting your approach. Instead of beating yourself up, analyze what happened, identify the trigger, and implement a new strategy to avoid repeating the same pattern. This is about learning, not perfection. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding your own behavior. By understanding how dopamine affects your decisions, you gain a powerful tool for making conscious choices. Financial success isn't just about acquiring wealth, it's about managing your relationship with money in a way that aligns with your values and long-term goals. Think of it like training a dog. Understanding their motivations helps you train them effectively. Understanding your own motivations helps you manage your finances effectively. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, one informed decision at a time. In short, understanding your dopamine triggers is the first step to mastering your finances. Recognize the patterns, identify your spending triggers, and implement strategies like the 24-hour rule. Focus on building financial literacy, creating a budget, and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. Remember, lasting fulfillment often comes from experiences and relationships, not just things. The benefits are clear: greater control over your spending, reduced debt, and a more secure financial future. You're not just saving money, you're building a healthier relationship with your finances. Now, what's the next step? Start tracking your spending habits. Identify your biggest triggers. And most importantly, commit to implementing these strategies. Share your progress in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey. Your financial well-being is worth the effort. Ultimately, understanding your relationship with dopamine is about understanding yourself. It's about recognizing the subtle ways our brains influence our choices and taking control of those choices. You're not fighting against pleasure. You're aligning your desires with your long-term goals. This isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. By understanding the science behind your spending habits, you gain the power to make conscious choices, build lasting wealth, and live a more fulfilling life. So, what's next? Continue exploring the fascinating world of behavioral finance. Dive deeper into topics like delayed gratification, mindfulness, and building a strong financial foundation. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Embrace the power of knowledge and watch your financial well-being flourish.